Are you getting ready for your first year of college? Well, there are a number of things that you're going to need to do this summer to get started on your college career. If you're ready, here we go. Number 1, head to your school's website, portal, or app and make sure that you can create a new email and access it. Number 2, check the status of your financial aid. If you're not sure how to do this, check your website for the financial aid office and send them an email or call them. Number 3, register for orientation. Number 4, complete all of your housing forms if you eventually plan to live on campus. Number 5, check when that first tuition bill is issued and when it's due. Number 6, figure out if you need to take any placement tests like math or writing. Number 7, check your college's health insurance policies. If you're currently not covered, your college may offer some. Number 8, make sure to submit any and all required paperwork and documentation. Generally, this will include up-to-date immunization shots and other types of verification forms. Number 9, contact your new college counselor or advisor if you need any help over this summer, and make sure to establish that relationship with them, because it's going to last you over your entire college journey.